welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create separate command as well as I will discuss about cell command. So let's go start. This is AutoCAD 3D modeling workspace. Now we will apply here workspace right now 3D modeling. Then first of all I will go to create in particular rectangle in this background. So when we start from this rectangle and click the point and start from rectangle, press D enter, then provide the distance 2000, then also provide distance 5000. So this is make a simple rectangle right now. Look at this is one rectangle. When also I will go to copy here, so right now this is copy here. When click this copy, then start point and start from this projection here. When go to continue, create rectangle. So right now this is complete rectangle, and next I will go to extrude command in this particular rectangle. So let's go here, the extrude command, enter the extrude command and click this rectangle, then again press the enter. Then how much distance you want to go extruded, so I will go to extrude 4000. Here the 4000 extruded. Then next again I will show you extrude command, then press enter and click this rectangle and also go to 3500. Then again I will show you the rectangle, press enter and go to extruded and 3000 here. Then also go to again press here and 2000. So right, look at this, here the extruded solid body has been created in here. Now here you can see that this is a solid model. When I will change from here view. This is the visual style. When enter the visual style, now let's start here visual style. When get this is the shaded, when apply the shaded here, now it is convert the 3D model in AutoCAD background workspace. Let's how to get the separate command used properly in whole diagram. So first of all, this is the individual selection like that. When this component has individual, this component individual. So every component continue selection for individual. But I want this whole component is create union, just like make for one body selection. So let's go all whole diagram selection. Then after look at this union here, combine process. So when enter this union and press this component, press this component, press this component and click all four component, then after go to enter. Let's again I will go to selection here. This is a one time selection, is whole body selected because the whole body has create the union form and combine form. But I want change the separate position in every component. So where is it in separate component? So this is the union form. When now we are going to select separate command. So here you can see this is the separate command. Enter the separate command, and first of all select this body here, then enter. Now let's see that again. Show you the individual selection of every component. It means it's a whole body is converted from separate form. Look at this here, a one selection. Right now this is one selection, and also this is one selection, and same this is one selection. Now again I will show you how to do that. First of all, when select this whole body, here the select whole component, then go to union. This is called union. When complete the union, then enter the every body selection, then after enter, this is called union selection. Then after go to apply the separate command. This is separate. Then also click here, this one and this one is individual selection. So it's a more and easy way of separate command using. Now let's go how to use for cell command. Basically cell is more important because generally we will want a hollow portion we will provide our 3D model. So let's how to do that. When get the cell command, look at this is cell command. When apply the body and gets enter, then how much cell we will provide and give the distance. When I give the 5 mm, so here the apply cell command, how to show you. When go to wireframe, look at this, I will show you the cell here. So it's like very negligible is look at this here, 2 mm cell command has been provided because they are the whole diagram is much distance. It's that providing 10 mm thickness, right? Then same thing again I will show you here. Enter the cell command and click this whole body and also enter. Then again click the point and how much distance. When again I will provide the 500. If there 100, it's sufficient. Look at this, they are increase the cell portion, right? Then also again I will show you this command, enter cell command, and again I will click this point. Here the cell command, apply the cell command, enter, click the point and how much distance. Again I will show you 200. It is called 200 cell. Same thing again I will show you this body here. Again enter the cell command, press here, click the point and 500. So it's continuation. I have go to provide this every component in proper cell command utilize. Then today I will discuss about separate command and cell command, how to use from AutoCAD 3D modeling. So today has completed this session.